Yeah. And I was. Am I? Oh yeah. And I'm censored. Did I tell you that I was censored? Get away, you stupid ladybug. Yeah. Kind of crazy. I thought. Okay. I think that's all. I just want to say I was censored. I'm an awesome man. I cannot speak his name. Yeah! Big man! Big man! Hey, Big man! Ew! That is nasty!
I don't really bite my toenails.
Yeah, you do! But you decided!
No, you didn't.
Oh,
What is that? What is that?
What? Aha! Hey, we gotta go! We got another villain on the list!
Let's go!
Yeah! I still see you! Hi! Okay!
Yeah, here we go, here we go. Hello, Robin, hello, Robin.
What are we doing now?
We're going to find some random dude who's building a fish tank and just say, hey, let's go! Hey!
There he is!
Hey! 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 How you doing? Hey, you want to hear our stories?
No.
What is that you're building?
What are you doing?
It looks like the random fishing dude doesn't like the paparazzi.
Guess not. Yes. Yes. I think I'm a good land now. Flap, 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 flap. Oh, a good landing spot.
Hey, little Robin.
Huh?
This is how we'll get him.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah. 3. Yeah.
Yeah! We got him! Let's go!
Oh, look! She got his face! It must be a girl!
Let's go! Slow motion. Slow motion.